This is the New American Media. Broadcasting to you from the Milky Way galaxy, the solar system, planet Earth, North America, the United States of America, California, Los Angeles to be specific. Sorry you're not getting the street name today. Hello everybody, welcome to Agree to Disagree. My name's Brian Engelman and I'm going to be your host here on the TNAM radio network. Broadcasting live from thenewamericanmedia.com because the old American media has failed you. I ask that you join us at thenewamericanmedia.com. Check out our site, where we're seeking truth, challenging dogma, and having fun. We ask you to join our mostly civil conversation. Ask that you also search The New American Media on Facebook and like our page. We ask that you follow us on Twitter at American_media_. And we ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/The New American Media. We have about 2.5 years of archived content on all of these various sites. And we encourage you to dig around, leave some comments, share and embed, tell your friends. And you can also tell your friends, please tell all your friends that you now know somebody that was kicked off of their insurance because President Obama is a liar. Yes, he is a liar. So let's dig into this, shall we? Thank you for choosing my insurance company. I'm going to edit that out there. For your individual health coverage, this packet includes information about some upcoming changes to your policy, it tells me. We're also giving you information about your options so you can make the best decision for your healthcare needs. Funny, I thought I looked at my options already and I did make the best decision for my healthcare needs. Oh wait, but we have a politician in office that wants to micromanage every single aspect of my life and spy on me with the NSA. Okay, fantastic. No, I would love to share my personal healthcare information with the United States government. No, that's fantastic. Sign me up for that. By the way, let's sign me up on a website that doesn't work. That only costs how many hundreds of millions of dollars? Yeah, sign me up on a site where the navigators who are taking my information won't have any background checks. They're going to be felons. Identity thieves could get the job of the screener. Kathleen Sebelius just told everybody. Congressional hearing. No. So, yeah, sign me up for that. Was it Mike Adams? Was it Natural News? Mike Adams just did a report talking about how completely insecure the website is. It's a hacker's dream. I think that's the same thing. McAfee, the McAfee antivirus spy protection stuff. I heard a recent interview on Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie was it John B. Wells or George Norrie? Anyway, both great hosts, great program. He was saying it's a hacker's dream. There's no way he'd put his information on there. So the way they built it, it's like 10 or 15-year-old technology. It's totally full of Swiss cheese style holes where all your information, your sensitive personal healthcare information, could be vulnerable for anyone. And you know what? Also, sign me up for a program. Sign me up for a program where, in case you've run through the NSA, your algorithms. Yes, your algorithms. No, I'm definitely talking death panels now. You want to laugh at me, but I'm telling you the truth. Run the algorithms on the Facebook posts, on the Twitter, on the Twitter posts. Link up to my personal private conversations and the things that I say, the words that I use on the radio show. No, you have me figured out. Am I pro an anti-liberty administration, such as the Obama administration, or am I against that? Okay, so then take over healthcare, and let's say, I don't know, it could be a super flu, or a virus, or a pandemic or something, and there's only so many vaccines available. Hey, listen, if I were a bad guy, that's what I would do. I want to get rid of all my opponents, get them all sick, and only treat my friends. Am I saying that that's the plan of this president? No, I'm not saying that. But do you trust George Bush and Dick Cheney if you're a Democrat? By the way, I'm not a Republican. Do all of your sentences kind of go up at the end? Like you're asking a question? That's from Family Guy. Stewie. No, but the reason I say this is because sign me up for Obamacare. And I do mean theoretically, because what they say, after day one, 6 people signed up for it? 6. Count them. 6. 6 people signed up for Obamacare the first day. But this government has used the political persuasion, the political beliefs of its own citizens against them, such as when they took like the law enforcement arm, known as the IRS, and did not process their paperwork and made them jump through crazy amounts of hurdles, delayed their paperwork, lost their paperwork, refused to work on it. Oh, all the Democrat stuff goes through just fine. No, maybe right now you're saying, well, I'm not a Republican. Well, guess what? I'm not either. But what if a Republican was in office and you're a Democrat? Oh, do you trust that next regime to not do that to you? I mean, the IRS targeted Americans to punish their enemies, in the words of Barack Obama, to punish their enemies. Yeah, we're talking Gestapo style. We're talking Secret Service style. Or special service. What we're talking about is we're talking about mob rule. We're talking about the mob mentality. We're talking about gangster style. Gang members, you're either on our side or you're our enemy. So the government that will turn the IRS on its own people because they don't like their politics, yeah, those are the same people I don't want to be touching my health insurance. Those are the same people I don't want to sniff my health insurance. Those are the same people that need to get the heck away from me. So, I'm reading here. Notice of an open enrollment. Well, I don't want an open enrollment. I had a plan. Providing information about your policy and additional options of healthcare coverage available during the open enrollment period. Notice of individual health benefit plan withdrawal. Oh, so this will include information about the withdrawal of my current policy and other changes due to the requirements of the new healthcare laws. Hey, thanks. So you made new rules that took my health insurance away. Where's the quote? I just want to, excuse me, I just want to play this for you. I mean, this, let's see if I can get this. Yeah, here we go. Maybe you've heard this before. Let's see if there's a montage even. First time viewing this, so bear with me. Maybe it's good, maybe it ain't. I gotta skip through a commercial real quick. But if you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your plan, you can keep your plan. Lies, I tell ya. Here we go.
I said this once or twice, but it bears repeating. And you can keep your plan if you are satisfied with it.
If you like the plan you have, you can keep it.
If you like your plan and you like your doctor, you won't have to do a thing. You keep your plan. If you like your health care plan, you'll be able to keep your health care plan. If you've got health insurance, you can keep it. If you like your health care plan, you will keep your plan. If you've got health insurance, you like your doctor, you like your plan, you can keep your doctor, you can keep your plan.
If you have insurance that you like, then you will be able to keep that insurance. If you like your doctor...
Okay, hang on. I'm only 40 seconds in. This freaking liar. Do you know how upset I am about this? For years I've been screaming to stop this. For years I've been screaming to stop this. The birth of the Tea Party was because enough is enough. Putting our line in the sand. Stay out. Once again, just a little food for thought. To all of the left-wing folk out there, to all the pro-choice people, to all of the feminists, to all of the far left extreme, the social libertarians, and I do consider myself socially libertarian. When it comes to abortion, you know, I mean personally, I haven't been in that situation, but I believe I would have a very hard time having an abortion or choosing to have an abortion. But as a social libertarian, I'm trying to remain socially libertarian as much as I can, because nothing turns me off more than all of these holier-than-thou social conservatives. I don't need social issues to come into play in our federal government. It's just a distraction. It's a wedge issue. It's gay marriage. It's abortion. And while we're arguing amongst ourselves, the country's being stolen from. But for all the people that are out there supporting abortion, that really support abortion, And I've heard this so many times. You keep your hands off of my body. Don't tell me what I can and can't do with my body. Then how in the world are those the same people supporting this lying president to say, you know what, I'm okay with government getting into every aspect of my body? What was it? The thigh bone's connected to the hip bone. The hip bone's connected to... Actually, I don't know that song, so I think there's a thigh and a knee and a hip somewhere, and they're probably pretty close. The shin bone, the foot bone, the ankle bone? I don't know. I haven't heard that song in a while. But why aren't those people saying stay away from my body, saying stay away from Obamacare? Why aren't they saying, hell no, you're not taking over 1/6 of our economy. Hell no, you're not taking over every single aspect of every single transaction of something the size and scope of the entire country of France. By the way, this is the country. This is the administration. This is the federal government that can't even run a website. They have not thought this through, folks. They have not thought it through, or they have absolutely thought it through. Or they've absolutely thought it through, and this is what they've intended all along. Maybe that's what they did intend all along. Is that the case? To collapse the system intentionally? The Cloward and Piven style? Here, let me give you the Cloward and Piven. Just in case you're not exactly certain of what I'm talking about. The Cloward and Piven strategy. I want to share this with you because it's a political strategy of oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to do a Rand Paul Rachel Maddow. I am quoting from Wikipedia. The Cloward and Piven strategy is a political strategy outlined in 1966 by American sociologists and political activists Richard Cloward and Francis Fox Piven that called for overloading the U.S. public welfare system in order to precipitate a crisis that would lead to a replacement of the welfare system with a national system of a guaranteed annual income and thus an end to poverty. Cloward and Piven were a married couple who were both professors at the Columbia University School of Social Work. The strategy was formulated in a May 1966 article, The Weight of the Poor, a strategy to end poverty. Quite interesting. Is that what's happening? You got to collapse this system to build your new system? Is that possible? Well, I think it is possible. Absolutely. So, either this was intended to collapse the system, or they have no idea what they're doing and I don't want them touching my body. I don't want them to be in charge of running the machines and billing for the healthcare services or ordering the vaccines. They can't even run a website. They had 3 years and hundreds of millions of dollars. And they can't even do it then. They couldn't even do it then. How in the world are you going to take over the entire healthcare industry and tell me and convince me that you know better than me? That you know better than me what's right for my health? This right here, I'm getting canceled by Anthem Blue Cross. The first paragraph says, I'm repeating this, we're also giving you information about your options so you can make the best decision for your healthcare needs. I already made the best decision for my healthcare needs based on what I'm looking for and with the opportunities that I have, with the resources available to me. I already made my plan, Mr. President, and you think you're so much damn smarter than me. You're so smug. You think you're so damn smart. Yeah, you're involved in Benghazi. You blame it on a video. You leave our people to die. Navy SEALs and our ambassador, Chris Stevens. You just leave him to die, but you're so smug and you're so smooth. Nothing ever touches you, man. Nothing ever touches you. Go out to Vegas and party with Jay-Z and Beyonce. Nothing touches you. You're so smug. You know better than everyone, don't you? No, nah. It's on a need-to-know basis, and we just don't need to know. So, by the way, you're also going to block people from testifying. The people that were there at the annex. No, you're going to block Congress from getting that. No, that's cool. How about Border Agent Brian Terry, President Obama? Fast and furious, running guns down into Mexico so they can come back up here, and you can use that as an excuse to subvert the Constitution in the Second Amendment. How about that? And then when we try to call Eric Holder up in front of Congress and get some answers on it, you cite executive privilege. Oh, because you're so smug. You're so much smarter than me. No, you've got this all figured out. No, you're way better than me, pal. No, you've got it. You've really got this figured out. The audacity of hope versus the audacity of thinking you know every damn thing about everything else. No, I'll bet you, I mean, because you went to school, President Obama, you went to school, Barry, so that you could learn all the ins and outs of healthcare. Wait, no, you didn't. You're a community organizer, riling people up and finding ways that you can overload the system by getting more and more people to sign up for welfare, kind of like what's happened in your administration. Huh. So what in the world gives you the expertise to think that you know better about my health insurance? Because according to Anthem, it says, we're also giving you information about your options so you can make the best decision for your health care needs. No, you have limited my choice. That's what they do in communism. That's what they do in socialism. That's what they do in Marxism. That's what they do. They limit your choice. Feel free to pick anything you want, but we only have those cars in yellow today. And tomorrow. And always. Pick any color you want, but you have one color to choose from. You have limited my options. You lied to me how many times? How many times? Let's get away from Cloward and Piven here. Let's pick up this montage again. I may have misspoke. No. You lied to us. What was it? What are we on? 4 years now of these lies? Let's hear a few more.
Your health care plan, you can keep it.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan. If you
No, I can't. You took it.
like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
Where am I going to keep it? Where am I going to keep it? In a pile? In a dusty pile of things that have no use to me anymore? That are of no use to me anymore? Yeah, I'll keep it in a pile.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep your plan.
Really? Because I had a private health insurance plan until you canceled it. Let me just... what if I have questions? Okay, yes, I do have questions. Oh, I can talk to health plan advisors. Maybe those are the ones that don't require the background checks, and they could be those that have felony convictions. Any sort of thing related to stealing data, breach of information. A notice of open enrollment. Let's read this to you. Brian Engelman. Los Angeles, California. Notice of open enrollment. Dear Brian Engelman, thank you for choosing Anthem Blue Cross Life and Health Insurance, Anthem, for your individual health coverage. As you may have heard in the news, key requirements of the Affordable Care Act, the ACA, will be effective in January 2014. People are talking more about state marketplaces created by the ACA, including Covered California, which offers an open enrollment period from October 1st, 2013 through March 31st, 2014. You may be wondering what will change and how those changes will affect you. To help guide you in these changing times, we're providing you with an overview of your options for individual health coverage. Wait, didn't he just say individual health coverage? Hey, let's reverse this clown again.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
Yeah, you can keep
If you
it.
like your health care plan,
Now, tell me about the private one.
Your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep your plan.
Really? Okay, so I'm going to find some information, including rates. Am I now? Okay. So, some options to consider. Now they're offering various health plans that meet the new ACA requirements. Well, isn't that special? That is special now. That is so neat. I am so happy. I'm so happy that President Obama took my health insurance. Let me just tell you. Notice of individual health benefit plan withdrawal. Yep. Isn't that special? Let's listen to a few more of the president's lies, shall we?
If you like your health care plan, you can keep
Liar.
your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep it.
Liar.
If you want to keep the health insurance you got, you can keep it.
Liar.
If you like the insurance plan you have now, you can keep it.
Liar.
If you like your insurance plan, you will keep it.
Liar.
So if you like your plan, you can keep your plan.
Liar.
If you like your plan, keep your plan.
Liar.
If you like your current insurance, you will keep your current insurance.
Liar.
If you like your plan, you can keep your plan.
Liar.
If you like your plan, you can keep
Okay, last one.
your plan.
If you're happy with what you got, nobody's changing it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nancy Pelosi, we have to pass this bill to find out what's in it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay now. So here we are. Liar, 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 liar. You know, Nixon was impeached for being involved in Watergate. Yeah, I did do the Cloward and Piven thing. I mean, I could say it in my own words. I mean, we know that something happened with Watergate and Nixon. I am not a crook. The Watergate scandal... Oh, I gotta cite my reference. This is Wikipedia again. The Watergate scandal was a political scandal that occurred in the United States in the 1970s as a result of the June 17, 1972 break-in at the Democratic National Committee headquarters at the Watergate office complex in Washington, D.C., and the Nixon administration's attempted cover-up of its involvement. The scandal eventually led to the resignation of Richard Nixon, the President of the United States, on August 9, 1974, the only resignation of a U.S. president to date. The scandal also resulted in the indictment, trial, conviction, and incarceration of 43 people, dozens of whom were Nixon's top administration officials. So, trying to steal some private information in the Watergate office led to the impeachment of, the resignation of Richard Nixon. Now, what happens now that we know that Edward Snowden has informed us that President Obama and his administration has been spying on your emails, your text messages, your photo messages, your telephone conversations, your GPS whereabouts, your spending habits at the grocery store, your health insurance, everything being spied on you, building a dossier of you. What happens when you try to steal the information? There's a Fourth Amendment. A Fourth Amendment in this country against unreasonable search and seizure. And it is unreasonable to gather this kind of information on people without probable cause. And this president, this smug president that sits there and lies to you, you don't think he lies? I just read you. I'm getting it again. My notice of individual health benefit plan withdrawal. My health insurance that I am not allowed to keep because of this guy.
I said this once or twice, but it bears repeating. And you can keep your plan if you are satisfied with it.
If you like the plan you have, you can keep it.
If you like your plan and you like your doctor, you won't have to do a thing. You keep your plan. If you like your health care plan, you'll be able to keep your health care plan. If you've got health insurance, you can keep it. If you like your health care plan, you will keep your plan. If you've got health insurance, you like your doctor, you like your plan, you can keep your doctor, you can keep your plan.
If you have insurance that you like, then you will be able to keep that insurance. If you like your doctor or health care plan, you can keep it.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan. If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep it. If you want to keep the health insurance you got, you can keep it.
If you like the insurance plan you have now, you can keep it.
And if you like your insurance plan, you will keep it. So if you like your plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your plan, keep your plan. If you like your current insurance, you will keep your current insurance. If you like your plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your plan, you can keep your plan. If you're happy with what you got, nobody's changing it.
Yeah. Liar. Liar, liar, liar. So that's where I'm at. I'm still digging through this, trying to make sense of it, but I am not thrilled. Obama stole my health care. Why? Why did we allow this? Why did we allow this? And how do we undo this? Sick of the lies. Sick of the lies, but I ain't gonna shut up. I'm going to talk even louder. This stuff really burns me up. You know, you want to do something stupid and, you want to punch yourself in the face, fine. Don't you come over here and start doing stuff to me. You're taking my health insurance after lying to us for 4 years about it. Not cool, man. Impeachable? Is Fast and Furious impeachable? Is Benghazi? Dereliction of duty, leaving our men behind to be slaughtered, tortured, and dragged through the streets? Is that a high crime or a misdemeanor? The NSA spying scandal? You're violating the Fourth Amendment. It's the fourth most important thing. You can't just start spying on everybody. But you think you're above the law because you're so damn smug. You're so much smarter than the rest of us. Tell me, how does that feel, being so much smarter than me? Because you're not. You're not. So, to be continued, but I obviously had to get this off my chest because I am being directly impacted by this guy's lies. And I have been calling for transparency on Benghazi. The NSA. It's insane. It's insane that anyone doesn't realize how creepy it is for other people to be, accessing the cell phone camera from your phone, turning on the microphone from your phone, tracking you with your GPS from your phone. You have to take your battery out of your phone to go off the grid. Nobody needs that information. Nobody needs that information. Nobody needs to know what my private telephone conversations are about. No one needs to know what my private text messages are about. That's my information. If I do a radio show on it and I publish it and put it out there, there you go. There you go. That's open for the world to see. All this other stuff, I think that falls under high crime and misdemeanor. A clear-cut violation of the Fourth Amendment to everyone in this world. Plus, you stole my health care plan, so you kind of made it personal, didn't you? One more time. Let's listen to some of the Democratic pundits who are going to say, no, what the president meant was, no, here's what he meant. One more time. I'm Brian Engelman. I'm gonna play this out and wrap up the show. Please check out our homepage, thenewamericanmedia.com. It's a nice little archive of some of the things we've been doing. Please search The New American Media on Facebook with spaces in between. The New American Media. Like our page. Comment, share some content. Follow us on Twitter at American_media_. And subscribe to our youtube.com/The New American Media page. Alright, y'all. I'm Brian Engelman, and my health care plan was stolen by President Obama. Don't let anyone try to rewrite history. Did he say if you like your plan, you can keep it? Because I had a plan that I liked, a plan that I chose. It took a long time to sift through all these annoying plans. So here, take a listen. Did he say that I could keep my plan? Or was he lying to me the whole time? Is he pathological? Is he naive? Is he dumb? Did he not read the bill? Either way, if he's incompetent, I don't want him running my health insurance plan. And if he was lying to me because the ends justify the means, then I don't want you doing health care either. Either way, get out of my health care. Here's President Obama's greatest hits. Signing off.
I said this once or twice, but it bears repeating. And you can keep your plan if you are satisfied with it.
If you like the plan you have, you can keep it.
If you like your plan and you like your doctor, you won't have to do a thing. You keep your plan. If you like your health care plan, you'll be able to keep your health care plan. If you've got health insurance, you can keep it. If you like your health care plan, you will keep your plan. If you've got health insurance, you like your doctor, you like your plan, you can keep your doctor, you can keep your plan.
If you have insurance that you like, then you will be able to keep that insurance. If you like your doctor or health care plan, you can keep it.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan. If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep it. If you want to keep the health insurance you got, you can keep it.
If you like the insurance plan you have now, you can keep it.
And if you like your insurance plan, you will keep it. So if you like your plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your plan, keep your plan. If you like your current insurance, you will keep your current insurance. If you like your plan, you can keep your plan. If you like your plan, you can keep your plan.
If you're happy with what you got, nobody's changing it.
Liar. Peace out.
You are listening to the New American Media.